Imagine you're a project manager juggling a dozen tasks at once. Deadlines are looming, teams are scattered, and communication is a constant challenge. What if there was a tool that could streamline your workflow, keep everyone on track, and help you deliver projects on time? That tool is Wrike, a powerful project management platform that can revolutionize the way you work. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of creating a Wrike account and getting started on your path to better project management. Step 1. Access the Wrike website. The first step is to visit the Wrike website. Simply open your preferred web browser and search for Wrike, or go directly to https://www.wrike.com. Step 2. Sign up. Once you're on the Wrike homepage, you'll see a prominent Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Choose a plan. Wrike offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and team sizes. Explore the options and select the plan that best aligns with your project management requirements. Step 4. Enter your information. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, email address, and a password. Fill in the required fields and click Continue. Step 5. Verify your email. Wrike will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Step 6. Set up your profile. After verifying your email, you'll be prompted to set up your Wrike profile. Provide additional details like your company name, job title, and time zone. Step 7. Explore Wrike. Now that your account is created, it's time to explore the Wrike platform. Take a tour of the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the various features, and start organizing your projects. Additional tips. Customization. Wrike allows you to customize your workspace to match your preferences and workflow. Experiment with different layouts, views, and settings to find what works best for you. Collaboration. Wrike is designed for collaboration. Invite team members to your projects, assign tasks, and communicate effectively using features like comments, @mentions, and real-time updates. Integration. Wrike integrates seamlessly with other popular tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and Slack. Connect your existing accounts to streamline your workflow and avoid switching between multiple applications. Mobile app. Wrike offers a mobile app that allows you to access and manage your projects on the go. Stay connected and productive, even when you're away from your desk. Creating a Wrike account is a simple and straightforward process that can significantly improve your project management efficiency. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the power of Wrike and achieving your project goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.